Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can invite friends on Top War's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To invite your friends on Top War, firstly go ahead and launch open your Top War application. The homepage of Top War application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on Friends and then tap on Add Friends option. Tap on Invite Friends. You can invite your friend on Top War by using Twitter, Facebook, or by copying link and sending it to them. Here I'm gonna go with Facebook. Tap on Facebook, select a person you'd like to invite and tap on Send option right next to their name. This is how you can invite friends on Top War application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.